the topic of conversation has been all this week for me and more about dating. Now, dating can be difficult and dating can be easy. Now, dating relationships, dating starting new or already been in it for years, it doesn't really matter. I have so many clients that come to me kind of confused, bewildered, women and men, wanting to know what to do next, if there's anything to do. Is this person the one? Should I be careful? Should I look for the red flags? What should I do? And it's all of that and more. Now, the best way I could say, there's no one perfect out there. I have a dating workshop once a month. Now, dating is different for you, for me, for anyone out there. Take hold of it and feel how important it is for you to deserve to be happy in life. Are you dating the wrong person and don't know how to get away? Are you with someone such a long time and wanting answers? Are you wanting children and he doesn't? And how do you come to a decision making? Are you brand new at dating, don't know where to go to date and where to find those good people at that are really sincere and genuine? There's all that and more when it comes to my dating workshop. This is a very interactive workshop. But not only interactive, you're going to walk away knowing that something that you needed answered is now answered. But not only that, with hypnotherapy, that's what I do. I help people to get rid of that feeling of desperate, the feeling of I gotta help or feel guilt, or the feeling of I'll never find someone. What am I supposed to do? To give them confidence and focus. My group sessions involve other singles and other relationship issues. Now, if you do one-on-one with me with hypnotherapy, we do something totally different. We do the one that you want to get rid of the feelings, the guilt, anything that you feel. I don't get rid of the memories for you because that's part of your life. It's an experience that you have to experience in order to go forward to other relationships. But no matter which one you pick, you'll walk away with something that maybe before you felt you had no answers and now you do. So if you're interested in wanting to do the dating workshop, or you're interested in dating one-on-one, feel free to contact me. You can email me at Pattie Freeman, Pattie, P-A-T-T-I-E, Freeman, @me.com. You can call me at 602-400-0653. Now, I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona, but I travel all over. If you're seeing this and you're not in Arizona, we can do Skype because it still has the same impact. The only difference is the voice and the instructions and actually the suggestions that I place. So if you want any more information or have questions, text, email, call, I'm here for you. So I hope to see you at one of the dating workshops. It's a great place to be. You get great results, you get your questions answered, and no more being confused or wondering why, but finally finding who you're all about. You deserve it, and you deserve the best. Thank you.